I think that there's a huge misconception that you have to have a big studio, lots of lighting equipment, a props cupboard, and tons of custom backgrounds to be able to do food photography well. But it's just not true. Today I'm going to show you how to use items that are already probably in your house to create amazing food photography backgrounds. Surprise you how many great surfaces for food photography you actually have hidden in plain sight. This is actually a great exercise for me because I actually found a ton of great spots that I'd never thought about using before. So I'm going to give you 4 tips on how to find food photography backgrounds in your house. First, and probably most obvious, raise your kitchen. Use cutting boards, tablecloths, napkins, cheese boards, anything. Try flipping things over and turning them sideways because maybe they have a nicer surface for photography on the opposite side. One thing that I really love to do is use kind of beat up old pots and pans. I find that they add a lot of depth and character to food photography. As far as things like napkins and parchment go, I've used pieces of parchment just as an extra textural element or to lighten up a photo. Or in this photo, for example, I used a napkin from a $1 package of napkins from the dollar store. So there you go. It doesn't have to be crazy expensive. You probably have stuff already in your kitchen that you can use. Tip number 2, raid your linen closet or wherever you store your textiles. Use old bed sheets, pillowcases, towels, anything that really captures the mood. This photo here was taken using my black bed sheets from university. Here you can see me using a pillowcase from that same sheet set. And this photo here was taken using one of my hot towels from my kitchen. Using textiles is a great way to add texture to photos as well, so you can layer them on top of things or add them on top of another background to create more visual interest. Tip number 3, look around your house. Are there pieces of furniture that you could use? Are there walls that are painted different colors? Do you have any curtains that would make a nice background? This photo here was actually taken just with a cutting board up against the shears in my dining room. Tip number 4, raid your garage. Are there old pieces of wood, bricks, broken tiles, old doors or windows that you could use? While this chipped tile is pretty unusable when it comes to making home improvements, I use it all the time in photography. So be creative with your space, guys. Put in a little extra work and reimagine items that you already have. This is going to save you time and money until you can go out and afford those backgrounds that are really fancy and custom made. You probably have tons of really beautiful photography backgrounds already sitting in your house, probably not being used. They could be in your garage, in your cupboard, in your linen closet. They're there, I promise you. If you like this video and you want to see more content like this, make sure you click the red subscribe button at the bottom, or I'm going to put it over here for you to click. I figured it out last time, so yeah, it's going to be here.